You're the chosen one! Ah! Wow! How exciting is this? Tonight, we're finally gonna draw the legendary Pokemon SUICUNE. Interesting. That is so interesting. I mean, Go was the first trainer to ever catch the legendary Pokemon SUICUNE after he saved his life from, you know, from the evil catchers, evil hunters. After that, SUICUNE was chosen to be Go's partner. It's beautiful, isn't it? Here are the antennas sticking out of its tail. I know. Alright, here's his lower half. Show you where to go, take my hand, and the light above will guide us. And now our adventure has begun. For something we believe that it could take us away. Even in the pouring rain, we will find another way. And we'll always try to have fun every day. We will keep on. There he is. That's how you draw the legendary Pokemon SUICUNE. This is your destiny. I'm proud you all got to enjoy this episode. Be sure to smash that subscribe button. Be sure to like and rock and subscribe. And let me know what new fair Pokemon you want me to draw next. Stegosaurus, see you later. Good night.